Hey there, it's Chuck from Mile High 3D, and today I want to talk about letting out the magic smoke. If you didn't know, the magic smoke is the smoke that comes out of a component when it fries and is basically destroyed. So what we want to do is we want to prevent that. And usually what happens is you have a short circuit on your flight controller and it causes some things to burn. So what I want to show is that when you build a quad for the first time, you have your frame and you build it up. You don't want to just plug it right into the battery for the first time, because the battery has a lot of potential current in it and it could totally fry your quad. So instead, what I have here is a power supply, and what I'm going to demonstrate is that you can set the current. So right now this power supply is turned up to 15.3 volts. That's the max, which is good enough to test most quads, but the current is adjustable. So what I can do is I can turn the current way down, to, in this case, let's just go to let's try 0.05. And if I take the power and plug it in, this quad should pull more amps than that. So let's see, it should trip the power supply. So basically, the power supply isn't giving out any voltage. So what I could do is I could turn the current up a bit, and let's turn the voltage down. Let's go 12.6. Hopefully I didn't fry my quad that time, but let's see. See, it keeps tripping every time the quad tries to start up. So if I turn up the amps a bit, I can find out at some point how many amps it takes to start up. So in this case, this little quad takes about 0.5 amps, half an amp to start up. And steady state, after it starts up, it's drawing about 0.3, but it can't start on 0.3. It has to go up to 0.5 to start up. So at least a half an amp to start. And so that is pretty much it. How you can prevent your quad from frying when you initially power it up after a new build. Hope that helps.